Your business is guaranteed to grow when your customers are excited to share their positive experiences. We all know that word of mouth is the best advertising tool. Well, CompassWave is partnered with a program called NiceJob, and they facilitate this word of mouth referral by not only encouraging prospects from CompassWave to leave positive reviews, but they also help you to keep track of the customer's overall responses to your services. I'd like to show you how we can get started integrating NiceJob and CompassWave. The first step is to go to get.nicejob.co. That's their website here. We're going to log in, and you might have to create an account. But once you log in, you'll get to something like this. Now, we see we have our reviews here in the middle. I've blurred them out here just because they're a company's individual reviews. We're going to go to Settings down here on the left and click Company. Now, in the company settings here, when you scroll down, you'll see the company ID and the company SDK public key. Now, these are two very important pieces of information. These allow CompassWave to access your NiceJob account and input reviews and customers. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the copy button here. And in CompassWave, in the Widget Pages page under the Tools section, there is a Push to NiceJob module. I'm going to take this module, I'm going to drag it somewhere. It should be after we collect the information that would go to NiceJob. So NiceJob is going to keep track of the address and the contact information, like the phone number, name, and email. So we want to make sure that it's on the following page from collect address and collect contact info. So I'm going to put it here on page 2, or in my case it could be on page 3 as well, just as long as it's on a page following these two. I'm going to paste the company ID in the company ID box. Let's go back to the company settings page. I'm going to copy this SDK public key and put it in the SDK public key box. I'm going to click Save Changes. That's very important. So now we're at my widget. This is what the customers will fill out. Let's fill out one here. 123 Main Street. We'll just do a sample address there. We'll say the person's name is Joe Schmo. We don't need a phone number. Give them joe@example.com. Our custom questions, next step. Now, you didn't see anything happen, but what actually just happened was it sent the information that we just typed in, the address and the phone and name and email, to NiceJob. So the customer can go through the rest of the widget. It won't affect that. If we went back to NiceJob and went to People, now if you look here, now there's Joe Schmo. It was created a few seconds ago. So this is how we can integrate NiceJob and CompassWave.